feeling good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, or if you can't tell, I'm doing something like very different for me, and that will be trying Euphoria makeup looks at school. And right now, even I probably look different because, well, I look different to me because I absolutely never do makeup like this. If you know me in real life, I would never like just go out wearing like this. Like, it's just different, and I think it's different for most people. I love the show Euphoria. You guys should all watch it.
I will put you on.
To me, it's a challenge only because like people are like judgy and they're judgmental. Anyway, yeah, that's the vibe for the week. Euphoria looks. I have to pick out right now actually what I want to do, and the outfits that coordinate. Like, low-key, this is a lot of work, but yeah, I just hate how like nervous I am. Like, I really should not be so nervous to wear literal makeup to school. No, it's chill. I'm fine. I'm chilling. I will see you guys tomorrow. So this is the makeup that I did for today. It's like blue and then like a rhinestone at the end. And I was trying to do like only blue eyeshadow and then blue liner. So, but my eyeliner like didn't work. So I just had to do like a full blue look. But I think it's cute. Like, I actually like it. Like, slightly nervous, but like it's literally, if you think about it, it's only like colored eyeshadow. Like, I don't know why I'm so nervous, but this shirt from Brandy Melville and these jeans that I literally wear like all the time, and I'm sorry about it, but I'm not. And then Air Forces, because I'm the most basic person alive, but the makeup makes up for it, so I'm not gonna apologize for the basic outfit. So yeah, I'm also so tired, so that's why I sound like this, but I have to go, so I will see you guys at school. Big boobs, child. Anyway, so I love being a chef, though. Big boobs. What? Child. Anyway, so.
Wait, honestly, I kind of was scared.
It smells like a public restroom. You know what? No. Well, Casey, what do you think of my makeup today?
Sounds brilliant.
Hey guys, so it is day 2 of Euphoria looks, and it's like really early, so I'm talking like this. Very different than what I would wear, and I'm just have hoops in my hair like this, and then this black shirt and camo pants, and I'm going to wear pink Vans with it. And yeah, I'm actually excited for today because I actually really like the look today. Yesterday I wasn't like as confident as school because I kind of like just didn't really like my look that much. Like, it just looked better at home than it did at school, so I'm hoping this looks good at school too. Yeah, that's my look for today, and I will check back in at school. What do you think of my makeup today? Great. Oh, I've only seen Casey so far, so that's the only answer I've gotten, but no. Okay, what do you think of my makeup today?
It looks really good. I liked yesterday too. She had like these cute little gems. Gorgeous.
Okay, thank you.
Hey everyone, it's lunchtime and hold on. Hey guys. Dude, everyone just told me you looked good.
Aw.
Like hella good.
Oh, that's so nice. What do you think of my makeup today?
I think it's amazing today. I miss the long wing though, but I like this wing.
My mom did it today.
Oh, it looks good.
Thank you.
I love it.
Okay, so I'm at lunch. This is Jess.
Hi.
And Sarah is actually across from me, and Sarah does makeup, and she's literally so good at it, and we were talking. And you guys should check her out on Instagram. I'll put it right here. And she's actually so good. Like, she's genuinely good, and we were talking about it because I did my makeup, and it's not. All right, go follow her. guys, we just got out of a fire drill.
I'm so weird. You look cold.
Yeah, bro. So we just got back from fire drill, and
We were both late.
yeah.
So like,
And now we have chem, so.
It looks different. It's great.
So I just got home from school, and literally I had like one of the best days like of the year. Not even like anything specifically happened. I just had like an epiphany that I'm completely content with my life, and I hope you guys get that too, because it was such a fire day. Like literally for no reason, I was just in like the best mood ever. Anyway, I love the look I had today though. It was so cute. Like so many people like complimented me, and it was so sweet. And yeah, it's definitely different. A lot of people pointed that out. They were like, if I hadn't seen them before, they thought this was like the most different look for some reason. Probably the jewels, because they stayed on all day, which was fire. That basically ends today. I'm doing this vlog right now because I was editing last night and I realized that none of the clips have like ending clips. It's just like totally abrupt. So this will be my ending for Wednesday. Yeah, it was fire. Loved the look. Loved today. Great day. 10 out of 10. Bye.
Okay, so on this day I woke up too late and had gym, so didn't do a look. I am very sorry.
I dropped low, then I came up. I dropped low, then I came up. Came up. I went down, then I got up. Dropped that on her. I go Bryson Tiller. Shot in one a dealer. I'm a drug dealer. Got more gas than a dealer. Got more pills than a
Anyway, so all right, rate my makeup.
I give it a 7. Because why? What should I give it? Like a 4? I'm just kidding. Because it's really good, but there's like glue in the cherry.
That's supposed to be the stem.
Oh,
that's
okay.
green.
Then more than a 7.
Okay.
Like a 9.
Alright, bye. Hey guys, so I just got back from school like probably like 20 minutes ago, and I freaking love this look today. I think it was so cute and just mad cute. Today we have to wear red because every Friday we wear red. Can I not speak though? Why can I not talk? Every Friday we wear red. That still sounds weird to me, but just to like show support for our football team. And I really like this outfit. I made this necklace. This shirt is actually my friend Angie's. This belt is from Princess Polly. Black jeans from Abercrombie, and this is also Angie's. So basically this whole entire outfit is sponsored by Angie. Shout out to you. It was just like such a cool challenge, and I'm so glad I did it because every look was like so like, I just loved every look in my opinion, except for the first one. That one needed work. For sure it was like uncomfortable at times, like especially like just going to school wearing like this crazy, not even crazy because it's just like different makeup that not many people wear. I definitely got like looks. In the end, it was positive, and I'm very happy with the challenge, and I can't wait to like edit this and upload it. That's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun filming this. Literally such a fun video. And yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.